How's it going, guys? Today is May 10th, 2020. Happy Mother's Day to all. And today I'm gonna make something that I've never made before. I'm gonna try this out. I'm going to make, well, actually I'm gonna try and cook pancake mix in a rice cooker, in a rice pot. I'm gonna see how this works out. I hope it works out great. So I'm gonna be using, I'm gonna cheat. I'm using instant pancake mix. So this is 2 cups and I'm gonna put in here. Let me just mix it all up. Okay, so I got the pancake mix all mixed up. I'm gonna put it in the pot here. Okay, here we go. Drop that in. Put the cover. Plug it in. And cook. We're gonna wait and see what happens in the rice cooker. Okay guys, we're 5 minutes in. And the rice cooker saying it's already cooked and it's on the warm setting. I don't know why. It's awfully weird. Let me open it up, see what it looks like. Well, it's bubbling, but it doesn't look like it's cooked yet. That's odd. Let me see what happens if I click this again. Oh no, I can't. Can't cook it some more. This might be a fail. What if I hold it down? See what happens. Might break my rice cooker. I don't want to do that. You know what, guys? It just hit me. I did not put grease or oil or anything here, so it's probably gonna stick. Okay, guys, I'm about 40 minutes in, and it still has not cooked all the way. I did manage to press the cook button again, so we'll find out what happens really fast, I think. Hopefully. And it clicked off about 3 minutes later. Let me just take off the cover. See. Oh, yeah, still wet. Okay, guys, it's been 1 hour. Let's take a look here. Still pretty white on the top. Oh, clean. Bad it's not brown on the top. Okay, I'm gonna try and take it out, see what happens. See if it'll come out this way. Probably should have put oil. Yeah. Well, maybe I'll try like maybe 1 cup next time. Okay guys, so I made another batch. This one is just a 1 cup. And I remember to oil it. So it's been about 58 minutes. It seems pretty good. It's clean. Yeah, so I kind of like my, ooh, that's hot. I kind of like my pancake to be more brown on the top. I wonder if I can flip this over somehow. Oh, yeah, that's pretty good. Try the other side. Cook it for a few minutes, see what happens. Okay guys, it's been about 1 hour and 15 minutes. So I think that's gonna be it. Hopefully. Alright, let's take it to the table and cut it up. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, that looks better. Cut it up and see how it tastes. Alright. Still kind of hot, so we better wait. Okay guys, it's cooled down for a few minutes and we're gonna add some toppings to this. Oh, nice technique.
I want to make sure all of them get the same amount. I think that's good.
Okay.
Okay, sprinkles.
Sprinkles, my goodness.
I don't want to use like a lot. A little more on this tiny one. Yeah, that's enough.
Alright guys, it's time to try it out.
Alrighty.
What piece are you gonna try?
This one.
Okay.
Just in case.
Go ahead.
It's really moist. Oh, stuck together.
Wow, let's try it.
It's good.
Cheers, Monk.
That's really good.
Make
sure you save some for me.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. Aloha and take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Mhm.
I'm gonna have another one. Are you gonna eat this one?
Mm-mm.
Okay,
You can have it.
thanks.